The Dietetics program at Eastern Michigan University is here to support you on your journey toward the Registered Dietitian Nutritionist credential. As a distance online applicant, you will be required to secure 4 of the necessary preceptors prior to program application. To help you in your search for preceptors, you may request a file search from the program's clinical coordinator. A file search is a list of preceptors by state where we've placed students at in the past. If a site is listed on the file search, it doesn't necessarily mean they'll accept an EMU student again. However, it does mean it's a good place to start your search. So let's go over how to use this document. Upon opening the file search, you'll see that all the facilities in that state listed in alphabetical order. You can use the city and state column to find facilities that are located in your desired geographical area. Once you've identified sites in your desired geographical area, you can use the potential placements column to see if that site will fulfill the experiences that you're looking for. For example, you could complete both of your food service rotations as well as your final clinical rotation at Adventist Health. You would not be able to complete the DTC 575 rotation for long-term care at this facility because it's not listed in the potential placements column for this site. Once you've found a site that's in your desired geographical area and fulfills the rotation needs, you can use the contact information to reach out to the facility or preceptor and request a rotation with them. A file search is a great place to start looking for preceptors, but there are definitely other resources you'll want to leverage as well. For example, the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics hosts a Find the Preceptor database. This database allows you to search RDNs who have expressed an interest in precepting by zip code and area of practice. Join the Academy as a student member to access this database at www.eatright.org/preceptors. Another way to secure preceptors is to locally network. With your Academy membership, you've already become a state Academy member. You can also join your local regional dietetics associations to establish mentoring relationships with area RDs. Then, when you have a need for a preceptor, you can ask them and they have every reason to say yes. If you have any questions regarding how to secure preceptors or use a file search, please don't hesitate to contact our program's clinical coordinator. We're here to help and wish you every success in your search for sites.